So for your 6th grade plastic bowl, once you get some artwork over here, this kid has like a horseshoe shape and they have a Bucks logo. Right now they're planning on cutting this Bucks logo. That would mean you would have a big hole the shape of the Bucks logo in your bowl. I had a student do this today. You don't want to do that. This needs to be a engrave, and when it says engrave, that means you're going to engrave this. If this says ignore, it means it's not going to do that at all. It has to say engrave here, and if there are multiple drawings, you need to check all of them. If it says ignore, it means it's not going to do anything. If it says, however, if this goes to, and this is what he had going on here, he cut this out. We don't want to cut it out. That is bad. I mean, it's just, I'm not giving you another plastic bowl. It needs to be converted to an engrave, and it will engrave the logo for you. Okay? That's what it has to be. That is so important. You have to look at these before you go and print. Right now it's offline. The glowforge isn't on while I'm making this video. But before you click print, whatever is over here, there needs to be one that says engrave. If there's 2 of them that say engrave, that's fine. But I can't have a cut in anything that's over here, or you'll have a hole in your bowl, which you do not want. Okay.